As promised from my previous vlog, I'll tell you where you can grab a bite here in Malico. And first stop is where we stayed at, Malico Pinewood Cabins. Now we went here last 2024 and it was the Bagyong Enteng, so we were just stuck here for the entire day. That's where we had our merienda, our dinner, and our breakfast. So for merienda, we ordered pancit and tuna pesto, a dish of sisig. So while we were waiting, we just played the Jenga. So this is our pancit, which is very good. It's very tasteful. I highly recommend the pancit. And I also ordered the tuna pesto. And for dinner, we ordered their nilaga, which is perfect for the weather. It keeps you warm, and the soup is very rich and flavorful. We also ordered their chapsay, which has very fresh vegetables, and a plate of sisig. Now, the plate of sisig is quite small than what I expected. Maybe it's just good for 1 to 2 persons to share. And this is the weather that night. In the morning, we were able to get coffee with our breakfast. Now, this is the breakfast we had on our second stay there. There's pork sisig, there's bacon silog, and tosilog, and spam silog. For drinks, you can order hot chocolate or hot coffee. Stay tuned because I have 2 more places to show you.